Welcome to Variables. Store and manage data efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without variables, you'd have to hardcode every value, making code rigid and unchangeable. How do we remember values in code? Hard-coded values are inflexible, cannot reuse or update data. Code becomes messy and confusing. Variables store and label data for easy access and modification. How is variables used in the real world? User input. Store data entered by the user, game score. Track player points, shopping cart. Hold total price and items. Variables powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without variables? Hard-coding values directly into calculations. Look at how messy the code gets. Cannot reuse values. Hard to update numbers. Code is not readable. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Variables. Look how clean the code is now. Store data for reuse. Easy to update values. Clean, readable code. Compare the difference. And that is why we use variables. Let's see how to implement variables in code. Here is the implementation. Integer variable. Store whole number. String variable. Store text data. Boolean variable. Store true/false. Double variable. Store decimal number. Print variables. Display stored values. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a variable in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is variables store data that can change during execution. Which is a valid variable declaration? Which one is correct? The correct answer is valid names start with letter, use proper type syntax. What's the value of x after this code? Which one is correct? The correct answer is first x equals 5, then 5 plus 2 equals 7, then 7 times 3 equals 21. What happens when you try this? Which one is correct? The correct answer is cannot assign string to int variable type safety. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.